I want to talk to you today about something that many of you might consider a myth. The very pinnacle of data analytics. I'm talking about actionable intelligence. If you follow my blog, Qlikdork.com, you know that I'm really big on one word: context. Everything is pretty much meaningless unless you establish a context for how it's going to be related. So the first thing I want to do is demonstrate what the context of actionable intelligence is going to be. So the context for today is going to be pretty simple. The top of this nail represents actionable intelligence. All we have to do is get our entire team of data workers in our company on top of this nail. We've got our knowledge workers in different groups. We may have your data stewards, those people that really know what's going on in the company. We've got your business analysts. We've got your data people. We've got your business intelligence architect. All of those people need to get on the top of this nail in order for us to have actionable intelligence. So we know we're all trying to get there. The first person in your company that's going to jump out is going to be your business intelligence architect. He knows what he's doing. He jumps up and he says, look, I can stand on the top of that podium on my head. Not helping us because that's not success. That could be analytics. It's not actionable intelligence because the rest of the team wasn't really involved. I can tell you, you could try this a million ways to Sundays. That's not going to work. Now, you might have a management or executive team that tells that guy, quit trying to hog the spotlight. You need to be more of a team player. So he pulls somebody alongside of him and they say, come on, work a little bit better together, communicate. Ooh, look, now we have two of a team, but the rest still aren't on the platform. I'm going to suggest that the problem doesn't lie in a lack of leadership or in the ineffectiveness of anyone to communicate within the team. I'm going to suggest that what the problem is, the reason why actionable intelligence is so elusive, is a lack of an architecture. I'm going to suggest what you need are Qlikview and Qlik Sense to bring these teams together. Why am I so big on the architecture in Qlikview and Qlik Sense? Well, it's pretty simple. It allows you to do real ETL. It's got a powerful scripting language that lets you connect to all kinds of data sources and bring all that data together. It's got dimensional modeling capabilities internal to it that are second to none in the industry. The memory management of it, get out of town. This thing is just lightning quick and very tight in the way it treats your data. What else does Qlik provide? Qlik provides ridiculously cool collaboration tools. Things that let all these team members share with each other. They can help each other develop and share it online with one another. They can build stories within it and share those with each other. They can collaborate, and that's what you need for an effective team. What else does Qlik provide? Qlik provides you the tools to do things that are just crazy cool, like put your metadata right into your application. Why is that important? Trust. In addition to putting metadata in, it allows you to actually let your end users build field level help. Documentation on your tables and fields, telling people where the source of that data is to further enhance trust. How big is trust? Well, let's put it this way. It is not really intelligent to act upon data that you don't trust. So you have to have an architecture that's going to let you put things into the application to further define and help establish trust. What else does it provide? It provides a calculation engine in this architecture that is so fast it'll make your head spin. You'll never believe that things have not been in a queue for years at the speed that these charts will refresh as users are filtering their data. That makes for a real architecture. Here's the final piece of the puzzle. Self-service. I believe it's critical for any real business intelligence solution to offer a self-service for the end users. And here's why. These knowledge workers work really hard, some of them at 2 and 3 in the morning. If they have a question about data that you haven't already built in, They need it visualized in some way that you didn't pre-guess or define. They now have to write these questions down, wait till the next day if they're not busy, try to get a hold of you in IT at some point when you're not busy, and then wait for a solution in the directed business intelligence application. That's not effective. There's no difference in their minds now in your business intelligence application and what they do now, where they pick up the phone and they call Sally. Sally pulls all her cocktail napkins and PDFs and Excel sheets together and gets them the answer in 2 weeks. You have to have a solution that does all of these things. All of these architectural things that Qlikview and Qlik Sense provide are what I believe separate them from the rest of the market. They provide the architecture that enables your entire team to reach the pinnacle of data analytics. They provide the architecture that allows you to get what you thought might have been unattainable, actionable intelligence.